Bro, my fucking eye. Oh.
I don't know if that was good enough. But
That was good.
hey,
We're
cool.
taking that. Oh,
You good?
God damn, yeah, I'm good.
Where'd I hit you? Where'd I hit you?
Eye.
Oh shit.
Bro, my fucking eye. Oh.
Dude, it's like wide viewed on his face, bro.
It's because I have that other peg on my bike. Like when I go to stop myself and put my foot on the ground, the peg snags it, so I loop out.
Welcome to Bike Boys Camping. We're in a shopping cart and we're gonna go find us a spot in the middle of the woods where it's dark and scary and there's coyotes and raccoons and bears! Oh, not the bears! No! Oh, God! Oh, God. Hey, hey there. You know what? These trails don't look familiar at all, right?
I haven't seen these before. Our first challenge. Okay, second challenge. Oh. So we're cheating. We gotta restart now.
From the top.
All our progress gone because this dumbass can't push a shopping cart.
This is about GTA? Motherfucker. You do not have to restart the heist.
Shopping cart cost me $500,000, dude. 8 fucking preps
8 breaths.
over just like that.
Oh my God. We're in the woods now. I don't know if this is more of a camping trip or hunting for Bigfoot at this point.
Wait a second.
Someone mentioned hunting? Alrighty.
All right.
Oh shit. Careful now. Don't lose your step.
Don't worry, I'm just holding everything.
Don't lose your footing. Alright, camera on me, cameraman, okay? We're out in the backwoods now. We need to be careful. Don't trip here, cameraman. Alrighty. First, we need to find water.
What?
I think we're fucked. On to the next step. Find some flat land. I would say here, but see all this greenery, shrubbery? Must be poisonous.
Bro, what the fuck?
Onward.
Are you sure you know what you're talking about?
Of course I do! Fucking challenge me.
They don't give anyone the orange vest.
See here. I think I found an opening. This is great. What we're looking for right here. This is perfect.
This is a road.
Right here.
Oh, yeah.
This is a dirt road.
Can't be. We're like 300 miles from civilization.
There's a house right there. To find more flat, right? Right, mister?
Oh, for sure. Yes. I trained my cameraman well.
And I think we found a spot. This is good. This is good, right? This is good.
Like what we're working with here.
We need a rake. Ain't that right?
We could just use our fucking feet.
Well, we still need a shovel for the fire pit.
Cameraman, set it up.
The cameraman did set it up, like the good boy he is.
Excuse me.
Dumbass.
In my way.
Well, we skipped a lot. We out here. We got the big ass fucking fire. Sleeping arrangement for tonight. Oh shit, you can't see anything. Sleeping arrangement for tonight. Alex, you a bitch. Ate some dope ass wieners. Ate some dope ass wieners. I went on some fucking adventures. That's all. I'm gonna go jork my shit now.
So when I die, which I must do, could it shine down here with you? Just my love is mine, all mine. I love mine.
I wasn't able to record much of last night, but basically all we did is we cooked hot dogs. That was it. Cooked hot dogs, went to bed. I've been up for a little bit, letting Wyatt sleep in, walking around. And I'm gonna go wake him up this fine, beautiful morning. What you doing in there? You sleep well? It's time to wake up, motherfucker. Camping's over. We got duties to do. Duties, dude. Come on, get up. Camp is coming down. And as Wyatt drives away, this concludes the Bike Boys camping trip. Soon to be more coming. Scott! Oh my God, it's Scott! Hope y'all enjoyed a little bit. I know it's out of the normal of our normal videos. Just watch the clips. I mean, camping trip probably wasn't that good. Later.